Hello, this is day 4 of my mini machine shop build. This place is a mess, but I'm getting further. I thought I'd show you where I'm at and what I've been doing. Let's get into that. Materials finally got here. 3 days late, but it's here. It is fastened to the wall at the wall studs. That's what that brace is right there. In 2 places, and then my short part is 1 brace. It is screwed down to the concrete on both sides. I have slots cut in wherever a stud goes. The first side of the framing is in. Everything that is braced to the original studs. Now I can start putting the rest of the studs in. Using these grooves and these angle brackets. Finished with all the framing. I am ready for drywall. That room is 8 foot by 23 feet. Okay. I got it about halfway done inside the room and outside the room. Okay, this is outside the room. Another day of drywalling, and I'll have that up. I'm going to put this video together so you see where I'm at. I've still got a few more weeks. As you see, this whole place is a mess. As you see, this place is a mess. But I'm moving along. I'm about halfway done with the drywall. And I just wanted to show you how far I am, or how far I ain't. Okay. That's everything that's been going on the last couple weeks. I hope in a couple of weeks I will be able to get back to a few machining videos, and I have some planned. But I believe this video is a wrap, and I guess what I want to say is until next time, enjoy.